Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video, I am going to explain a program in while loop. So first of all, I am going to write which program we are going to discuss in this video. So in today's class, I am going to discuss how to print the series. Print means how to find the output of a given series. Suppose there is one series like 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10. Okay, so how to find the sum of this given series using the while loop? So first of all, just like the while loop, what are the 3 points are there? Initialization, condition and the update statement. So the first of all, we need to find out the starting point, and according to series the starting point is 1. I am going to write it as st, the starting point, sp as a starting point. And what is the ending point here? It is 10. That is, this one is ending point and I'm indicating it with ep. Okay, so this one is starting point and this one is ending point. So as we discussed in the previous video, the starting point is called initialization and ending point is used as condition. So this one is starting point, initialization, and ending point is condition. Now come to the main logic. Okay, so first of all we use a initialization point in it. So take a variable called int and I, and what is the initial value? Starting point is 1. The value of I is 1. And what is this? This is our initialization point in it. Okay, then write while. Before this, we need one more variable called sum, int sum, and initialize it with 0. Why I am taking it 0? I will discuss this in the next video, not here. Just now, from till now, suppose the value of sum is 0. Then while this w is in a small letter, not in capital. W is in a small. While I is less than equals to 10. Why this one is 10? 10 is our starting point, ending point. Okay, so this this is 10, and why it is less than? So what is our series? If you remember this, 1 plus 2 up to 10. So this one is starting point and this one is ending point. So compare starting point with ending point, that is, this one is also I. So I is less than or equals to end point. Now value of I is 1, so 1 is less than 10, so ending point. That's why I am going to write here, I used to write here I less than equals 10. Okay, now next one, right here s equals, it is sum, to sum equals sum plus I. Sum equals sum plus I. Now update statement I plus plus. Okay, and close the bracket. After this we just write SOP ln or SOP result equals plus sum. So what is the value? Whatever the value is stored in sum, it will be printed here. Okay, now when you run the program, how the program is going to give output? So for this I'm going to erase this and I'm going to explain it how this program will compile in the computer. So just like the computer, the process which is happen in the computer, I'm going to explain it here, so you may able to understand better why we use sum here. Also you may able to understand why we use sum as 0 here, and what are the later on processes. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to write the series here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10. Okay. Now, how many variables we would use to take? I. Okay. Then sum equals sum plus I and I plus plus. This is a process we used to do. Okay, so first of all, value of I is 1. What is the value of sum? Value of sum is 0. And what is the value of I? Value of I is 1. So initially, what is the value of sum here? It is 1. Okay, so it is 1. Value of sum is 0 and plus I, it is 1, so we are going to write here 1. Now I plus plus, what is the value of I become? Value of I becomes 2 here. So here value of I is 2. So here value of sum is here. Okay, this one is copied to the next line, this one. Okay, so here it is 1 plus, okay, what is the value of I? Value of I is 2. Now 2 plus 1, what is the value of sum? Is 3. This 3 is copied the sum value of sum here. Now value of I is also becomes 3. So here also 3. So value of sum is 3. Now value of I is also 3. So 3 plus 3. What is the value of sum here? It is becomes 6. Now value of I is 3 plus 1 is 4. So copy value of 4 here. Now this 3 plus 3 is 6. The value of 6 is copied to the next line, 6. Now what is the value of I? Plus 4, it gives 10. Value of I here increased by 1, it is 5. Be careful, this part, this one, this is similar to the value of sum here. Okay, whatever the value of sum here, it goes to the next line. Value of sum is 3, it goes to the next line here. Value of sum is 6, goes to next line. Similarly, value of 10 is 3 here, so goes to here. And what is the value of I is sum is 10 and value of I is 5. What you got? 15. So sorry, this one is 15. Okay, it is 6. So this one is gone to the next step. So similarly we proceed till the value of I reaches to 10. So this is the way a program is going to execute using the while loop. This process is called dry run. This process is used to check whether we are going to the right direction or not, and at the end of program what is the outcome. So this is our dry run. This process is called dry run. Okay, system पे नहीं कर रहे हैं, खुद से कर रहे हैं. That's why it is called dry run. Okay, I think this much is enough for today's video. In the next, try one more program by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to give the program here. Try this one. Okay, so try this one. Program 1 is 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus up to 10. And one more program, print table of a given number. Okay, so in the next video I will explain this second part, that is print table of a given number. Till then, try yourself these two programs. Okay, first one is this one is similar, just try by yourself the second one, and in the next video we will discuss about this part, the print table of a given number. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.